Hello everyone, Jai Hind, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video we will talk about Deloitte interview preparation and its process. So from past few days, students are getting mail on their registered mail ID from Deloitte about their interview process. Like those students who have cleared their online assessment are getting these mails. You can see in this mail that it mentions to select the online interview slot. It means that students can select their slot according to their preferences. Like if they click on the select your online interview slot, they will get few slots available like 10 to 11 p.m. in the morning, or 2 to 3 p.m. in the afternoon, or 8 to 9 p.m. in the night also. One more important point I like to add in this video is that if you do not able to get your slot, or if you are late in selecting your online interview slot, then you will get this type of message on your screen, like interview slots are not available or no slots are available. So you have to wait for few days for getting the next mail from Deloitte to select your interview slots again. Like in the online interview slots, you will get interview date and timing both. Further, before moving to the interview preparation portion, do subscribe to our channel to get regular updates about job and preparation. For any query or any suggestions, do message me on Instagram. The link is in the description box. You can also comment on this video. So let's start. This is the official interview preparation material from Deloitte. You can also find it, but if you want it, then you can message me and I'll send it to you on Instagram. So in this video you'll get about the introduction of the interview, what you what to expect, like motivations questions, past example questions, scenarios questions, question about your and your values, your strength, your weaknesses. Most important means the topic questions and your questions. After that you'll get to know about hints and tips, practice exercises, and summary of this video or of this preparation material. So let's start from the introduction portion. As I have already stated that this interview preparation material is available on the Deloitte website, and you can prepare from there also. So in the introduction portion, we really want your interviews to be positive experience, and it's a great opportunity for us to get to know each other better and see if we are good fit. Okay. So for the introduction part, interviewer can ask you about tell me about yourself. Okay. So tell me about yourself does not mean tell me everything. Just tell me what makes you the best and fit for this job role. Okay. So in the next slide, this is the topic that what to expect. Like interviews tend to last up to an hour, means mostly time 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so your interviewer will cover a range of capabilities in our student success profile, and you will be typically asked a few questions from each area before moving on. They will ask an initial question and mostly like some follow up question to explore your response in more depth. Okay, so they can also ask you like where do you see yourself in next 5 years. Okay, or what are your career goals. And what the interviewer really wants is to see that you have thought, that what you have thought about your future, or guess about your ambition. They also want to verify that this isn't just a stopgap position. Okay, so although all of your answers should be tailored to the organization and positions that you have applied for, this is the especially the case with this question. If you are going for an entry level position, you can use a few examples to explain how you would like to like your career to progress. For example, I'd like to progress to a senior software engineer, or I like to see myself being a team engineer. Okay, just like that. Or if you are going for a more senior position, explain how would you looking to move the company forward. Okay, so have a look at the business strategy or corporate objectives before the interview and explain how you can help in achieving them, their target or their goals. Okay, so here's the motivation questions. This help us understand our drivers or what interest you about the role and working for Deloitte. These are some example questions here, like your interest in and your knowledge of area that you have applied for, your interest in a knowledge of our firm. So you have basic knowledge at least in the firm or the sector which the company is working. This is the preparation tips, like think about what it is about the area you are applying for the really excites you. So there's also one question, what is your greatest weakness and what are your weaknesses is one of the most popular questions interviewer asks. It is also the most dreaded question of all. Handle it by minimizing your weaknesses and emphasizing your strength. Stay away from personal qualities and concentrate on the professional traits. I am always working on improving my communication skills to be more effective presenter. Or I recently joined some program which I find very helpful to remove my weaknesses, like that. So the most important tips to answer this question is that so that you are aware of your weaknesses and what you have done to overcome it. Okay, so that you are self aware and that you have the ability to take the steps to improve yourself. And the most important thing is that don't you dare to answer with the glitch like I am a perfectionist. Okay, or any other way such answers that the hiring manager can see right through. So past example questions, these explores how you have handled certain situations in the past and give us a good insight that skills you have developed. You can see the example questions here. Tell me about a time you had to work collaboratively with the others to achieve a goal. Or this is the follow up questions, what are you trying to achieve, how did you feel, how did you work together, how did you learn. Okay, and this is the preparation question, like consider the skill which you are looking for, and these can be in the both means introduction of the final stage assessment guide. Okay, and after that the most important question is that what are your greatest strength, and this is your time to shine. Like just remember, the interviewer is looking for work related strength. Okay, not your personal strength. Mention a number of them to show as being a good motivator, problem solver, performing well under pressure, being loyal, having a positive attitude, or eager to learn, taking initiatives and attention to details. Okay, like whichever you go for, be prepared to give examples that illustrate this particular skill. Okay, so so the next point is past example questions, scenario questions. So these questions look at what you think you about doing a particular work based. Okay, so at Deloitte we are always looking to find new and better ways to do something to get better results for our clients and colleagues. You can see the example questions, follow up questions, and also the preparation tips for these type of scenario questions. The most important question is why should we hire you. Like this is the differentiation question. What you want to tell them is that they had be crazy not to be not to they hire you. like focus on them. You need to only share how you meet almost all the criteria they seek. Okay, and also you have to two or three additional abilities that they might not even know. Okay, so they need to know you about a candidate who can not meet their needs now but will also be valuable for where they want to go in the future. Okay, like are they likely to need another skill set for their company as a grow company, or maybe you have the skills that you have noticed in the another job description they are looking to fill. You can help out with those deliverables until they find someone. Okay, so the next portion is the questions about you, your values and your strengths. So you can see the preparation tips here, the example questions and the shared values. Like lead the way, Deloitte is you one of the most important question that I have heard, or the interviewer want to ask, the interviewer want to know in a multinational company, is that what you can give them in the first 90 days. Okay, so interviewer can ask you what can we expect from you in your first 90 days. Ideally the answer to this should come from the employer, like they should have a plans or have a expectations for you. But if you are asked, use this general framework, like you'll work hard to determine how your job creates values. You won't just stay busy, you'll stay busy doing the right things. You learn how to serve all your constituents, your boss, your employees, your peers, your customers and suppliers and vendors. Okay, so you'll focus on doing what you do the best. You'll be hired because you bring certain skills and you'll apply those skills to make things happen. You'll make a difference with customers and other employees to bring enthusiasm and focus and a sense of commitment and teamwork. Okay, so while moving to the next portion, you can see the topic questions here, for example questions, follow-up questions and few preparation tips. Okay, so you can also click on this link, means click on the how could organization be persuaded to take on board your ideas, and it will open up a new page. So here are the few hints and tips. You can also click on this link, like help you to have a great interview, and it will open a YouTube channel, means YouTube channel of Deloitte, official Deloitte channel, where you will get all the hints and tips. Apart from that, they can also ask you what are your salary expectations, and when completing your preparations for the interview, always have this question in the back of your mind, like have a look at a average salary for someone in this industry or area, or this world, means corporate world. Okay, but reminder that this is only the first interview, you haven't been offered the job, so there is no need at this stage to be try and begin negotiations. Okay, and give a broad salary range while usually be enough to move on, but to be prepared at the back of it if you need to. Okay, like if interviewer asks this question, like what are your salary expectations, you can just don't be tempted to sell yourself short. Okay, so the right answer could be means a broad but realistic answer, like I am looking for a starting salary somewhere between 5 lpa to 6 lpa, like that. But usually the Deloitte has all the salary or all the CTC mentioned before you applied for. Okay, here are the few skills that have mentioned, like hunger to learn, agility, ideas generator, critical analyst, that you can use in your interview part. Part 2 is practice answering questions, like how you can answer. Aim to provide 2 to 3 minute answers for each question. Use what you have prepared in part of 1 and the exercise to inspire your answers. Practicing interview questions, like initial questions and follow up questions. Tell me what motivated you to apply for this job role, or follow up questions like what interests you about the business area you have applied to work in, or what skills will you bring to the program and the business area. Okay, so this is the summary and reflection part. And if you need any further help, do message me on Instagram. Description box, the link is in the description box. And subscribe to our channel, share this video with your friends. Thank you all.